Hey everyone, welcome back. So we're going to be trying a new tire dressing here. I just want to bring you in real close. This is how the 3D GLW wheel and tire cleaner did. So it actually cleaned really well to remove the previous tire dressing, which was the 3D matte tire product. So this time I'm going to go ahead and try Angelwax Enigma Elixir ceramic tire dressing. Let's see, it says it's a highly durable tire dressing, and when applied to its surface will bond to form a waterproof coating. This air-cured ceramic that's outstanding durability that will last for weeks rather than days, and has been designed to repel dirt and water from the sidewall of the tires so that they maintain a freshly detailed factory appearance. And it says it will not provide sling. So we're going to go ahead and give this a try. I don't remember the price. I bought it on AutoAlity. So I'm just go ahead and set the camera down, and we'll apply this to the tires to make sure I want to give you guys the best view possible. Okay, so it's a pretty straightforward application. I've already applied two. One thing I will mention is I do recommend, it says for outstanding results, allow the first application to cure before applying a second coat. So they recommend applying 2 layers on here. Pretty straightforward. It's a real thin spray. I'm going to go ahead and shake it real quick. Just a real thin spray. And I'll just apply it to the tires. Pretty liquidy, pretty thin consistency. I'll just work it into the rubber. I'll do half at a time, and then I'll apply to the other half. So this is my second time using it. I've actually applied it to another set of tires, and it's been holding up pretty well. Alright, so I'll bring it in closer to show you. This is just one layer, and it has a nice OEM satin appearance. Even when you put the second layer on, it'll add a little bit of gloss, but after it starts to cure, it kind of sets up more of a matte finish and more of a satin type finish. But I mean, it looks good. So if you guys are interested in trying Angelwax Enigma Elixir, you're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. Like I said, I put it on another set of tires, and it's holding up pretty well so far on that car. It's like 3 weeks in. It still looks pretty good after putting 2 layers. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply a second layer. I'll let this kind of set up here. Actually, once you go around the car and you apply it to all 4 tires, by the time you get to the last tire, the first one's actually ready to be applied for a secondary layer. So I'm gonna go and apply a secondary layer. If I remember, I'll come back in the daylight tomorrow and I'll show you what it looks like with 2 layers. I guess it's going to appear glossy, but that gloss level tends to kind of matte down after about a day or 2. So I want to just give you guys a quick application demo here of Angelwax Enigma Elixir. Again, it's a ceramic tire dressing, and we'll see how it does. We'll see how it holds up to a daily driver. Again, I have 2 cars going out right now with this product on there, and I think it's going to give us pretty good results. So if it can get me like 6 weeks, it'll compete with CarPro Darkside and then that Jess Car tire and trim product that I've been using. So again, that's Angelwax Enigma Elixir. If you guys have any comments or questions on this, go ahead and post down below. And again, thanks for watching. Catch you next one. All right, everyone, welcome back here. So I want to give you guys a quick look here at what the Angelwax Enigma Elixir looks like. This is 2 layers in broad daylight. You can see it does look a little glossier than the 3D. I'll just kind of stand over here. just to give you a good idea. But it's still a matte, rather OEM satin type finish, a little bit more gloss than that, and it dries with a touch. So you just apply it, let it air cure, and then it'll be set up. If you want to just back off on the shine, just leave it alone after one layer. Just make sure you have even coverage. But I put 2 layers because they state for outstanding results, apply 2 layers. So we'll see how long this lasts, but so far it looks pretty good. And yeah, if you guys have any comments or questions on this particular product, go ahead and post down below, or if you've used it, go ahead and share your results. All right, talk to you guys later. Take care.